Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to automate all of your crafts in Craftify directly with Zapier. And today I'm going to show you how to easily send off a very simple email. So first you're going to sign in to your account, and from your account dashboard you're going to go over to Crafter. It's probably going to say your name here, and choose integrations. From here, we'll be able to connect Zapier. Now, Zapier has already been connected here just to show you I'll disconnect. I'll reconnect here, and you're going to copy your API key. This is going to be really helpful when we get into Zapier. Now, if you haven't already set up an account with Zapier, it's free, it's easy. So go ahead and sign up for Zapier.com. And once you've got your account set up, you can come down on the left-hand side to Apps and find Craftify AI here. So you can add our app directly into your Zapier account by clicking connect. Here we go. You'll pop in your API key, and then it should automatically connect that directly to your account. Now from here, we're not quite done. We need to be able to create a Zap, so something that communicates that information from when we're working in Craftify directly in through Zapier. So I'll go ahead and click create here, and I'll create a Zap. And from this Zap, I'm going to make a really simple one, but I'll show you how simple it is to then be able to export all of your crafts from Craftify. So first we'll start off with a trigger. We'll make our trigger working with Craftify. So we'll find this app here. And from here, we can start to create our trigger events and what's going to cause Craftify to know to tell Zapier to then send the automation. So we're going to choose an event. Right now we have new craft as our event. Go ahead and click continue. Our event type, this is where you can choose different types of working through Craftify with different types of our crafting, but we're going to choose new email for this specific Zap. And our trigger title, you can name it anything. I'm going to call it email auto, which is going to be our simple way of going forward. Now, we can test our trigger if we want from here by using this new record, continue with this record, but we need to be able to tell Zapier what to do with that action. So when we have a new craft made, how are we going to send it off? So I'm going to send it through my Gmail account, and I'm going to choose the action event. So basically, when I make a new email in Craftify, it's going to then send an email through Zapier on my Gmail account. Now, this is where you go ahead and add your Gmail account here. I've already signed in, so I'll click continue. And this is where we're going to put in some data referencing from our Craftify side. So here to 2, you choose recipient emails. Then you can choose for a copy or a blind copy. You also can choose your from. Usually it's going to ask you to give your email directly that you've already signed in. You can put any name you need in there as a from. Reply to is also helpful to go ahead and put the same email that you want your people responding to send that email off to. Here's where we're going to click subject, and subject is going to be connected to the subject line already made in Craftify, so you want to specify that the subject will use the Craftify subject. Body type as well for the body. We're going to go ahead and add that here as the body HTML, or the body here. There we go. And our signature, which can be either the default or you can choose one. I haven't added a signature, so it's perfectly fine the way that it is. And I'm going to click continue. Now, testing this step is important. You want to make sure that it's actually working when you send something. I'm going to go ahead and click publish and then show you how easy it is to run that Zap from your Craftify side. So when we're back in Craftify, you can go to your all crafts and then come down to choose the craft that you would like to send off. I'm going to come down to our welcome email here. Go ahead and click continue. We're already in the result. We've already written this email. So I'm going to go ahead and click export up here, and you'll start to see our different Zaps in Zapier. So email auto. From here, you can add the email that you want this email to be sent off to. I'm going to just send it to myself just to test it. And then you can add several different emails by either putting them each on a different line or separating by commas. Now I'm going to hit export, and there we go. And Zapier has already worked that zap. You can control the zaps that have been made in your Zapier account. So I hope this is helpful on how to automate all of your crafts in with Zapier. It's a great tool.